In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the 2022 question 6 in the short questions, which was to balance a bank account. Okay, so question 6 read, balance the following bank account and bring down the balance at the end of the month. Okay, so looking at this bank account, it has two sides. It has a debit side here, which is money in to the bank account, and then it has a credit side here, which is money out. Okay, now what we have to do to balance this, we have to look at the amounts on both sides and we have to say, right, okay, which is the bigger side? So if we add the debit side together there, we'll figure out that that is 890. If we add the credit side, the right hand side, we'll figure out that that's 500. So it's quite obvious there that the debit side is the bigger side. So what you're going to do, you are going to put the bigger figure, the larger figure, the 890 on both sides. And then this side, the debit side, equals 890, but the credit side doesn't equal 890. So what we're going to have to do, just like solve for x, just like algebra at school, 500 plus x is equal to 890. So you would figure out that the difference there is 390. So you will say 31st of the 10th, that should say, apologies. So that should say 31st of the 10th because it's October. Balance carried down 390. And then on the 1st of the 11th, balance brought down 390. And that is the bank account balanced there. And because it is on the debit side, when it's brought down in the 1st of the 11th, that means that you have a positive bank account. If it was on the credit side that it was brought down, that would be a bank overdraft, which means the bank has given you more money than what you actually have at it. Okay, so that is question 6 of that year complete.